Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm looking for some people who's looking for peace. Maybe together we could make the war cease. Now we can send mankind to the moon, and we can reach to the bottom of the sea. That's why it's really kinda baffles me that we cannot end wars and bring peace, and we cannot change the way people act, and we cannot change the way people think. So if we sit back, chill out and relax, civilization will soon be extinct. That's
Natuma ujumbe kutoka Dallas, Texas, USA. Na tunasema ya kwamba tunataka uchaguzi bora. Tunasema uchaguzi bora. Uchaguzi bora. Uchaguzi bora. Na kama hakuna uchaguzi bora, basi no elections. No elections. No elections. No reforms, no elections. No reforms, no elections. No reforms, no elections. No reforms, no elections.
Tumefurahi kufika hapa, and we thank God for everything. We need justice, and we thank Mr. Maraga for being there for Kenyans, and he gave his life for Kenyans. So Kenyans, you need to wake up, and when you go to vote for the right person. You need to speak up and take your rights, because don't let anybody take you for granted. You have a right to vote, and you have a right to vote for the right person.
Everybody kept quiet until the clashes started. That's when everybody started talking about stop killing. This time we are saying stop inciting people, stop agitating for chaos that are imaginary, and let us allow the IBC to do its job. By allowing IBC to do its job is transparency and accountability. And transparency is not in a vacuum. Transparency is even the servers, they have to be transparent. They have to open up, that's part of transparency. So the statement that we have, it is just summarizing what we have all been agitating for. And as Kenyans in the diaspora, what we are looking at is, we are not going to be taken for granted. We are not visitors, we are not guests. Kenya is for all Kenyans, despite where you are. So what we want is Kenya government, all the leaders, to sit down, because tribal animosity is not a solution to the problems of solving how poor people cannot afford education. The only way is to sit down, and you cannot come and sit down when you are already manipulating the organization. So let us tell the government of the day that people come and go, but Kenya always remains Kenya. So let us stand up for justice, and justice will bring out.
Tell them that we are not going to stand for the status quo the same way you get promised, oh, so and so is number 3 or whatever. So that is not the Kenyan we want. We want transparent, fair, and credible elections for all Kenyans, and every Kenyan's vote must count and must be counted correctly and accurately. It's not accurate, it's not what we're looking for.
Thank you all for coming. I would like to take this opportunity too that we are here for looking for freedom. We want no police brutality. We want credible and fair elections. That's why we are here. And we can see police are going into universities and people's homes to bring them out and killing them. We don't want that. Everybody has a right to demonstrate and to let their voices heard. So we are here to encourage everybody who is out there. Don't be afraid. We are here to support you, and we ask for harmony and peace in Kenya, and we don't allow those a few individuals to intimidate the country. So we are here for everybody, and be blessed. Thank you.
So Kenyan and Americans say no to dictatorship, right? Yes. No dictatorship. So we want to reform, so stop police what? Police what? We deserve a free and fair and credible for all Kenyans.
Thank you so much because our time is up. We don't want to violate the laws of the land that we live in. So, because our time is exactly 1, it's already 1 o'clock. So, we say thank you for your service to the country. Thank you for your showing up, and thank you for your solidarity.
Thank you for watching. This was for Kenyans in the diaspora, a section of Kenyans who wanted to demonstrate, pushing for peaceful elections, which will be on 26th. Thank you for watching. I'm Mayo Rinaunti, and this is Kenya.
Stand up, stand up. You want peace, and I want peace. Stand up, stand up. You want peace. Come on, everybody, come on. Stand up, stand up. Come on, everybody, come on. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
We want peace. We want peace.
We want peace.
We want peace.
Mr. Chocolate Flavor, Amy Skills, Alinda. Okay, sorry.
Tazama Burundi na Kongo, watu wanauana. Rwanda pia, watu wanachinjana. Kule watu wanakaba, mtoto anaza na baba. Dunia imejaa ukahaba.
Afrika wote wamoja, wote kitu kimoja. Wamoja. Afrika wote wamoja, wote kitu kimoja. Wamoja.
Jua kali linanichoma, watoto wana ada ya kusoma. Baba yao mina homa. Tazama hali ya pale pande za Tandale, madada wanajiuza ili wapate wakale. Wakale. Ili wapate wakale. Dunia, ni tambara bovu. Dunia, ni tambara bovu. Dunia, ni tambara bovu. Dunia, ni tambara bovu. Masikini tunalia, Tanzania. Masikini tunaumia, Afrika. Masikini tunalia, Tanzania. Masikini tunaumia, Afrika. Juma na Hasani wao wanarogana, kisa mali za baba na mama. Nyumba pili wanagombana, Amina na Fatuma. Kisa wana mama na mtupa mtoto wake jalalani. Kweli binadamu tumeshiwa na imani, naye mke wangu anatembea na jirani. Shida nyingi jela, matatizo jela, watoeni masela, watafute hela. Shida nyingi jela, matatizo jela, watoeni masela, watafute hela. Shida nyingi jela, matatizo jela, watoeni masela, watafute hela.
Barabara ndogo sana, kila kukicha, foreni haziishi, wameshindwa kudhibiti haya maafa.
Oh yeah, I'm looking for some people who's looking for peace. Maybe together we could make the war cease. Now we can send mankind to the moon, and we can reach to the bottom of the sea. That's why it's really kinda baffles me that we cannot end wars and bring peace, and we cannot change the way people act, and we cannot change the way people think. So if we sit back, chill out and relax, civilization will soon be extinct.
We want peace. We want peace.
We want peace.
We want peace.
Mungu nguvu yetu, ilete baraka kwetu, haki iwe ngao na mlinzi, na tukae na udugu, amani na uhuru, na tupate na ustawi. Amkeni ndugu zetu, tufanye sote bidii, nasi tujitoe kwa nguvu, nchi yetu ya Kenya tunayoipenda, tuwe tayari kuilinda, na tujenge taifa letu. Ndio wajibu wetu, Kenya istahili heshima.